Hi guys, today we're going to be opening a Lego city set, so let's get started. So first, let's just put all the pieces to the side and let's get started building. So first we gotta make the character. So we just put his hat on, her hat on, and then we gotta find her body, and then her pants. And then we got a character, look at that. The next thing we gotta do is we just gotta make the fish on a stick and then we put it into our hand. Uh-oh, the fish fell off. There we go. And now we have the full character. Let's just put it to the side. And now let's do our next thing, which is the tree in the park. So first we gotta make this tree trunk, which will be easy. And we gotta make some leaves on the ground. There we go. Moving on to the next step. We gotta put another orange leaf over on this side, and we gotta put that little piece over there. And now we need to extend the trunk. Now let's put some tree branches like that. And now we gotta put a 2x2 plate in between to make them connected. And now we gotta put some leaves. Okay, so we're almost done this step. So let's moving on to the next step. Just look at the tree. Now we gotta add that little ladder over there. There we go, like that. And then next thing is we gotta add the cat. So now let me just find the cat. Oh look, I think I found it. We'll take a good look at this tree. There we go. Now we just put the cat. And now our little park tree is done. Now it's time to add the fire. So we just put two little flames and a big flame in the middle. Like that. Uh-oh, it fell. Okay, there, like that. The next thing we have to do is just put our character there. And there we go. Now moving on to the next part. Next part, we gotta make the car. So let's take two of these pieces and another of that piece, and you just snap it together like that. And then we gotta add the wheels. Like that. And let's do it the same for another side. And then we gotta put that piece over there too. Almost done. And now the car can turn left or right. So now we just gotta put those two pieces, and then we gotta find some yellow pieces. And then we gotta just snap them together. Like that. Oh, we need to find another one now. Yeah, like that. Now we just gotta find 4 of those pieces and just attach them like that. And do the same for the other side too. Where are the pieces? Oh, here we go. Here are the pieces. Like that. There we go. And now moving on to the next step, we gotta put the steering wheel piece and the other piece. Then we just gotta put the big block, black block, and the small black block, and a gray piece, like that. Then we gotta put those red pieces over on the side, like that. Then we're gonna put some yellow pieces. Then we got some more red pieces, like that. And then we just gotta add some more red pieces. Let's keep adding. And now we gotta add some of these gray pieces for the wheels, like that. Now it's starting to come together, and then we gotta put the red transparent piece, like that. And then we gotta put that tile, black tile, on that tannish tile. And then we're gonna put those two couch or stair pieces. And there we go. So now we gotta move into the next step, is to put some of those pieces over there. And then put some more stair or couch pieces. And there, look at it. Now we gotta put that yellow piece, 2x1 piece, over there. And now we just gotta put those two black pieces over there. And put another yellow piece in the middle. Oh yeah, there, over there. Yeah, in the middle. Like that. And now we gotta make the front part of the car. So let's just put that piece and two transparent pieces on the sides, like that. And then just snap it like that, and there we go. Next thing we gotta do is we gotta put the transparent window. And then we gotta make the sign on the front of the car. So we need two small red pieces and a yellow piece. Oh, put it backward. Oh, there we go. Now we just gotta put a 4x1 red piece over there. And now another 4x1 transparent piece. And then just gotta put that big piece on top along with that blue light. And there we go. Now we just gotta make the box at the back. Just put a box and fill it with some of these water bullets. And then put the top part on. And now let's just get the gun and fill it up with the water bullets. There you go. And then put it there and snap it into place like that. Then we gotta just take our fish stick and put it over there and put the character inside of the car like that. Yeah, like that. Not fitting. Okay, fit like that. So now we're done putting the character. Now let's see it in action. He needs to put out the fire. Oh no. Yes. He needs to save the cat from the tree by shooting his dart at the fire. Yay. Hooray, he saved the cat. Thank you for watching my videos, guys. If you liked it, please like and subscribe to my channel. That'll do me a big favor. So I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye-bye.